Welcome back to the third episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Got another recipe for you guys you're going to like. Everyone's going to like this one. It's not spicy. It's awesome. See you in a few. Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so we are going to do breadsticks. This one here is going to be a little different. Bubbles up, guys. Bubbles up. Can't have enough garlic. Well, you can, but you. This is just some artisan bread. Artisan flatbread. Makes awesome breadsticks. Or cheesy sticks. There's a little garlic. And don't forget olive oil. Olive oil. This is just a basic white sauce for your white pizzas. Garlic, we don't want to flood it, but we want to know it's there. All right. And we're gonna use some unsalted butter with some oregano and basil. Got our oven preheating to 450. Now I know these aren't spicy, so Survivor Z over there, he'll actually like this. Another one is just a little basic. Just we'll take some fresh grated Romano. We're just going to sprinkle the Romano on there. And for the cheesy bread, the mozzarella, and I know I like the fresh grated, but not today, folks. Got the ice machine going on. You know what that's making? Ice cubes for my Bloody Marys. Another quick little recipe. Nice little snack, weekday, school night, whatever. Movie time. Yeah. A little more? You good? Good? Good. Yeah. We'll just throw a little Romano on those two. Just a little dab will do ya. Uh-huh. Alright. And I'm just going to hit it with a little more basil. And a little more oregano. A little salt. Let's see, guys. I'm running low on my chili flakes. You guys will have to comment below and remind me to buy more chili flakes.
Buy more chili flakes.
And we'll put that, just sprinkle that right over there. But look at he won't eat that one. That'll be too spicy. Challenging you? No. Why would I do that? Would I do such a thing? All right. Oh, forgot my apron. Oh, you know. Shit happens. We're just waiting on the oven to finish preheating. And I'll be right back till our oven's ready. Bye, guys. All right, guys. Oven's ready. Popping these babies in there. Might have to flip them around, of course, but all in good time. All right, and we'll get them out of the oven when they're ready. Welcome back to the Reaperthon, guys. Our breadsticks are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and
Bread.
get these out of the oven. We're gonna let it sit for a second and cool. This is what we won't have to.
Bread.
This is just a little basic. We're gonna let it cool for a second. Oh, seconds up. Gonna go ahead and I really need a different pizza cutter, you know?
Well, you're cutting bread, so, I mean, it's called a pizza cutter.
Whatever, dude. Whatever. Oh, there's our infamous photo bomber. She's in the picture over there.
No, Peppermint was in the picture. Luna was just sniffing the potatoes. Will Luna make an appearance? Dun, dun, dun.
Very hot.
Luna. There you go, now she photobombed.
Now she photo bombing?
Yes.
Dude, hand me the spatula.
A spatula. Take the camera.
Oh, look. Reaper's got the camera. Imagine that. Whoa. Look at them sexy breadsticks.
Where's the spatula?
It's in the second drawer, buddy. All right. Look who it is.
Is this the spatula?
Yes.
It is the spatula. It looks more like a cutter or something like that.
Come on, cameraman. All right. Go ahead and plate it up. You don't want to overcook them. You don't want them so crunchy you can't eat them. Oh, those are the simple ones. Look at her, just come out of the oven. Not that hot. Good. Yeah, no, that one's hot. Do not attempt this at home, children. You might fry your fingers. You want to let the cheesy ones cool a little bit. Look at there, folks. Almost ran my finger over. That'd have been awesome. Another #1 video.
Reaper cuts off his finger.
Yeah. Look at that, nice and cheesy. This is why you let it cool. That way it doesn't stick together with the cheese. Oh, and I hear a guest coming in the door. All right, guys. There is some cheesy breadsticks. Quick, simple, and a little bit of Corona. After all, it is New Year's. Thanks for being with the Reaperthon. Recipe number 3. Number 1, still in a crock pot. We'll see you in a little bit, guys. Ciao.